In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix unsupported video type or invalid file path error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and you need to simply type features. That is turn Windows features on or off. Okay. So click on turn Windows features on or off, maximize it. Simply locate the Internet Information Services. Click on the plus sign symbol on the left side on it. Make sure to enable the Internet Information Services and you'll find the Web Management Tools. Click on the plus sign symbol next to it and you'll find the IIS Management Service. Make sure to enable that. Okay, make sure to enable the IIS Management Service and then you need to simply click on OK. That will search for the required file, so you just need to wait for that process to be done. Okay, so you can go on with let Windows Update download the files for you and then just simply wait for the process to be done. And for the second method, we can try to reset the browser that we are using for the or for watching the video in that browser. So let's say for example, you are watching that video in Google Chrome. Watching YouTube in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Firefox, then click on the three dots at the top right corner, then simply click on Settings. Then you have to simply click on the option that is Reset Settings. It is the same option for the Microsoft Edge. Click on that and restore settings to the original defaults and simply click on the Reset Settings button to reset the browser. And after so, just simply see if that helped you fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.